Hi guys, Ben here at Cool Motorcycles. I'm going to give you a quick video rundown of our Panigale 959 that we've got in at the moment. We sold this bike to its current owner back in, I think it was March, it was either Feb or March this year. Since then it's done 60 miles, hence it coming back to us to be sold again. Really nice clean bike, 11,000 miles. We serviced it just before it sold last time, so only 60 miles ago. It'll obviously come with a full MOT. So I'll give a walk around, point out any little defects, but it's a really nice clean thing. A couple of extras, it's got the tail tidy and it's got the Krapovich exhaust. But apart from that, it's pretty standard. And nose can's not really any chips or marks to point out. Front mudguard really clean. Calipers and rotors are nice, got an orangey rad cover in there, keeping it nice and tidy. So the fairings are perfect, not a mark to them. Casings nice and tidy. No evidence that it's ever been dropped or knocked against a little wall or anything like that. Swing arm is perfect, exhausts are perfect, wheel paint is all perfect. Seat and tailpiece are unmarked. Tank is perfect, no marks at all, and the fairings this side again, same as the other side there, completely unmarked, really nice and tidy. We get 11,060 miles. We serviced it on 11,019. So yeah, it's don't give it any beans because it is cold. Yeah, really nice bit of kit. I think there's 6 entries in the service book. It's always been really well looked after. Full book packers with it, both keys. Yeah, it's good to go. Any questions, feel free to give us a shout. Thanks for watching.